This is the best smart plug of 2018, and I'm going to show you how to get it working with SmartThings and your Echo devices next. Hi, I'm Justin with Simply Smart. We focus on connecting your smart home devices using Samsung SmartThings and Echo devices. Today we are talking about the Peanut Smart Plug, and I believe this is the best smart plug of 2018. Let's take a look. So the box is pretty much the exact same size as the smart plug, and the smart plug is a little bit bigger than a golf ball. This uses Zigbee, so that will create a mesh network throughout your entire house, and you'll never have any coverage issues, and it's very reliable, very simple, and very cheap, and that's why I like it. Now let's get this installed and working with SmartThings and our Echo devices. And it's very simple. You can see that the plug is at the bottom half, so when you plug it into the wall you want to use your top receptacle. So let's go ahead and plug this in and get it set up with SmartThings and control it with Alexa. And we have this this office lamp here that we're going to be controlling. So let's go ahead and plug this into the top receptacle here. And when you plug it in, you'll notice it starts to flash red and green. And we're going to open up our SmartThings app. Alright, we're in our SmartThings app here, and we're going to go to My Home at the bottom, and then click on the plus sign at the top. And we're going to add a thing, and it does come in here as thing. So we are going to click the Save button, and it says you have successfully paired one device, so okay. And now you can see that we have our thing down here. Now this device is not directly compatible with SmartThings, so when you open this up it's going to say please wait and shop. I don't know what you're going to be shopping for, but anyways, what we need to do now is jump over to the computer and we will get this working. Alright, we're over at the computer. Just go to Google, type in SmartThings IDE. I even spelled it wrong, but it doesn't matter. It's going to go ahead and come up here on the first result, and just click this link here. And you just want to click the login, and you're going to put in your email address. Click on SmartThings. Now you are logged in. And what you want to do is go up to My Locations and click on the location that you want to add that device. In this case, I only have one, and that's my home. And now if you go to My Devices, you can see there is the thing that we added. So if you go ahead and click on thing, go all the way to the bottom, click edit, and let's rename this. So this is going to be our office lamp, and let's go ahead and make the label the same. So you want to go to your type and click on the drop down, type in a ZI to get down to the Zigbee, and go to Zigbee switch. And you can also put this into a room if you wanted to. Here, that's a group, and just go ahead and hit update. Okay, now that we have updated our device handler, we can go back into the SmartThings app on the phone here, and now you can see that our office lamp shows up properly with a light bulb, and click on it. You have your on and off, and hear that click. Turn it on. The green light comes on here, and turn it off. The green light turns off. So we know that we have it working in SmartThings, and now what we need to do is get that working in Alexa. All right, we go into the Amazon app here, and if we go over to Smart Home, one thing for your SmartThings devices to show up here, you need to be sure that you have the Samsung SmartThings skill enabled. Click this here and go ahead and enable that if you do not have it. I already have it set up here. And now if we look down this list, the office lamp is here. Now if your office lamp does not show up, all you need to do is say, Alexa, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds. If you haven't already, please enable the Smart Home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app.
Alright, so mine was already set there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and plug the lamp in here. And from the, I'm going to test it right in here. So it works. And now we can do it with our voice as well. Alexa, turn on office lamp.
Okay.
Turn off office lamp.
Okay.
And it works. So I'm going to go back over to the computer and show you one more way to do this. It's a little bit easier and a lot less steps. So let's go over there. We're back on the computer and we're on the SmartThings API. And someone made a smart device type for the Peanut plug. So if we highlight all of this code here and hit Control C, or you can right click copy and go back over to our Samsung site and go to My Device Handlers, create new device handler, from code, and paste the code right into here. Hit create, hit publish for me, and go ahead and save it just one more time. Okay. Now if you go to My Device, find our office lamp, and we can click Edit now. And instead of a Zigbee switch, we have Peanut plug, and we can go ahead and update that. And now, since this device type is in the computer under your SmartThings, each time you add a Peanut plug, from now on, it'll automatically recognize that as the correct device. So that's a little bit easier because you don't have to go back and forth. But typically when people buy these things, you know, off Amazon or whatever, they don't know how to set these up, and you just plug it in and it doesn't work. And that's how you got to do it. You got to come into your SmartThings API here and add that stuff there. If you head over to simplysmart123.com and you go to our shop here and you click on outlets, You can see these are some other outlets. This outlet's $44.95. This is $29.86, $34 and $60, $24 for this one. Not too bad. 52. This is more of a switch here. 34, 52. But this one is only $23.99. And check the reviews. Pretty good reviews here. But you can go right to our site here and you can click add to cart. And that will add it to your cart here. And if you want to go ahead and check out, this will just send you back over to Amazon. And just click continue. And you're going to have to log in if you're not logged in. And then you can go ahead and proceed to check out, purchase it right through Amazon. You know, we're trying to get all of the stuff that's compatible with Samsung SmartThings and put it all in one place, so you know that when you come over here you can find products that will work. And we're working on getting more videos out to you. I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, just leave any comments you have below and I'll try and help you out. But this is relatively easy once you know what to do. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe.